Hi, welcome to this video tutorial on Protein Annotator. Protein Annotator was developed by the National Resource for Translational and Developmental Proteomics at Northwestern University. It was made to help researchers create UniProt formatted XML files with user-defined features. Let's get started. You'll want to start by uploading a UniProt formatted XML or FASTA file. Once that's been loaded, there are 5 main sections: the menu, the isoform table on the left, the graphical annotated isoform on the right, the point features panel, the bottom middle, and the range features panel, the bottom right. The menu contains 3 buttons: a return to home button that lets you start from scratch, an add isoforms from file button that allows you to add more isoforms to the isoforms table, and an export isoforms to file button that lets you export the isoforms to a UniProt formatted XML file. On the left is the isoforms table. There's 1 row in the isoforms table for each isoform in the input file. For each isoform, the row contains the accession, description, monoisotopic mass, the number of amino acids in the sequence, and the number of proteoforms that would be generated if every feature for a given isoform was considered. There is also a modify cell that allows you to edit, copy, or delete the isoform. Above the isoform table is the total proteoform count. This is the total number of proteoforms that would be created and searched if every feature from every isoform was considered. Let's take a closer look at one of the isoforms. Current point feature annotations are displayed as standard colors in the graphical annotated isoform. To make changes to the annotations for a given residue, select the residue and make changes in the point features table. The PTMs that can be added to a residue are listed in the PTMs tab. The available PTMs are defined in the global feature set. The global feature set initially is a combination of standard PTMs and the PTMs that are contained in the input file. If there is a PTM you'd like to add that is not currently in the global feature set, click the Modify Available PTMs button to edit the global feature set. That will open a dialog that includes 2 tables: the included features, which contains the features that are already in the global feature set, and the available features, features that can be added to the global feature set. So let's say we want to add formylation to threonine. You go to the available features table, find formylation, expand it. Find the formylation for threonine, click the Include button to add it to the global feature set, and then save. Then you select that isoform and threonine, and now formylation is available. Standard click, shift click, and control click functionality can be used to add or remove annotations to a residue. To add a C-SNP, select a residue, C-SNPs, and the replacement sequence. Let's do that again. Select a residue, and it's still on C-SNPs, so select the replacement sequence. To add a custom mass modification, select the residue, custom mass modifications, and add a monoisotopic mass. Click Add. C-SNPs are colored with pale blue. Custom mass modifications are colored with orange. You can add 2 types of range features: endogenous cleavages and disulfide bonds. Disulfide bonds require 2 cysteines. So select your isoform. And if you hover over the residues, you can see the indexes, so 9 and 15. Then you click the Add button, set your indexes to 9 and 15, and click Save. I should mention that range features, both endogenous cleavages and disulfide bonds, are not represented by colors in the graphical annotated isoform. Once you've made the updates to the point features and range features that you'd like to make, you can export your isoforms to a UniProt formatted XML file by clicking the Export Isoforms to File button. Click Save. You can now use that XML file to create a database. If you have any questions, please email us at nrtdp-help@northwestern.edu. Thank you.